Dig out time. It's still snowing, but slowed down enough to get out. So here's the wall at the end of my driveway. Thanks, blouse. As you can see, it's higher than the snowblower, and it's waist high on me. Well, almost waist high on me. So it's crazy. This is 3 passes I basically have to take. Can't even take half a snowblower's with. This is the driveway. Sand bucket. F-250. Sad sight right there. That's my 300ZX. Yeah. I'll just not even look at that. Got us good. Everybody's digging out best we can. Fun stuff.